with some drop work. We're going to adjust her left sacrum. Adjust her sacrum into relax your shoulders. And this way, relax your shoulders. Good. Little pull, nice little stretch. Your spine is a series of joints. It's 33 separate joints. This traction really stretches and distracts all of them. Do you feel that down in your mid-back at all, or just in your neck?
A little bit in the mid-back.
Good, relax. We're gonna do one more time. Deep breath in, exhale. Good, deep breath. Exhale all the way out. Perfect. Face for me. Good. Same thing this way. Just relax your shoulders. Perfect. Exhale for me. Good. Excellent. Other side. You move good there. Deep breath in again. Exhale. Good. Mark's a pro. He goes right into it. Let your shoulder drop down into my hand. Good. Same thing here. Relax the shoulder. Nice and easy. Let it drop. Good. Other side. Exhale for me. Good. Perfect. Good. This side, go easy for me. Very good. Shoulder for me. Good. And this one. Nice and easy. Relax your shoulder. Relax that arm. Perfect. All right. Good. One more. There you go. Just relax your shoulder. This side, just relax your shoulders for me. Shoulders. Good. Good. Go on your side face. Good, Mark. Same thing this way. Just relax your shoulder for me. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Good. Get you. Just do your mid back. Ulnar and radial head and the elbows. That feels pretty good. How are your wrists today?
The thumbs.
Lean back away a little bit. Good. Good. Good thumb and wrist adjustment there. And all the way out. Good. All the way out. The other side. Shoulders for me, Susan. Got that head. This one. There's the ankle. Move. Okay. Exhale. Good. Other side. Nathan. Good. Lift your head up. Perfect. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in again. Exhale. Good. Excellent. So that moved great. Really. So it's hard to see there, but I'm just kind of getting in onto that left superior border of her scapula, that wing bone there. Take a nice deep breath in for me. Just relax your arms all the way down. Exhale. Good. So that moved good. That's basically 2T thoracic spine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of moved. And then we're going to adjust T1 up here. Relax your shoulders. Good. It's a little different type of adjustment. And I'll even hold some trigger point work into her left scapula a little lower. Is that tender? Mm-hmm. Her whole left shoulder is tender. How about out here? Not so much?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll recheck her. Good one. Excellent.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.